Okay, welcome back to PyraPOD, where you can use a structure like this to create a closed, controlled ecological environment. Basically, this type of structure is it's a tent-like. It's relatively light and easy to build. Just simply use steel or aluminum for the general structure, and then simply transparent fabric for the covering. So that you can create a double layer cavity, and then fill the cavity with soap liquid bubbles. These are the there's 4 bubble generator on each corner, and then simply use the bubbles to insulate the whole structure during the winter time, and also you can use the bubbles to create a shade during the summertime. The idea is to make this type of building warm in winter and cool in summer. Also, they make the inside cool during the day and warm during the night, simply by using the bubbles to absorb the thermal solar energy and store in water. Okay, so this is the idea of PyraPOD, using the SolaRoof technology that invented by Richard Nelson. Today Richard Nelson and Yang, our designer, had a session. We discussed the possibility of turning structure like this simply by enlarge, double the size, the linear size, and then turn a structure from this to a complex, a community living complex like this. As you can see from the top, you can form a court, using the living living cubes, right? We call it living pot, life pot, So just quickly explain how we did it. So basically, we simply enlarge the linear footing. Everything double the size, right? So for example, the edge length is 10 feet in this design, right? We simply make it 20 feet. So all sizes, are increased, are doubled, right? So the height also we double it. As you can see from this design, there's 3 levels: the ground level, second level, and the top level, right? And by doubling, then the 3 level become normally 6 levels, right? But we didn't add a floor on this level, so that way you add a level here, so it's total of 5. So that's why let's quickly change to this. That's, you can see, you can see clearly that there's ground level, second level, third, fourth, and fifth level, right? And also we basically you can do a lot of things, right? There is this which shows that we can even create a enclosed space, with windows, right? With windows, and the windows are double layer also, and can be filled with soap liquid bubbles. This is bubble bubble filled windows, right? When you need the total transparency, you just you don't fill with bubbles, right? But when you need some privacy, you simply fill the space, the cavity, double layer. It's a double layer, right? Just like this with bubbles, right? And yeah, especially for winter time, that's the best way to insulate. Yeah. And yeah, and then so by putting I already explained in another videos, yeah, by putting a cube, a living pot like this at the corners, the four corners, and you can form a structure like this. And then when you have 4 unit, put them in this configuration, and then you can have a large community with enclosed courtyard, right? So which is very, very nice. Yeah. Notice the height, because everything doubles, right? So the height of the living part is actually 2 floor, okay, instead of 1. Remember the in the video I made earlier that that's 10 by 10 by 10, right? In this case, it's 16, because each level is 8 feet, so 16 feet high. Then it's the width is 10 feet, no, it's 20 feet, and then the length is 40 feet. So it's just the similar size for the large sea container, right? That's 40 feet. Yeah. So anyway, so you can make a community complex like this, very easily, and obviously we didn't draw the windows, for the living parts, right? But that's just give you a quick idea what you can get out of this. Yeah. And so this way you have both, right? You have the living parts for human living, then just you can build it normal way, the traditional way, right? And then simply fit into the corner. The most importantly, you can use PyraPOD to create enclosed but also transparent pods, PyraPOD we call it, that you can grow vegetable, mushroom, even grow fish, inside, right? You can easily put aquaponics, sandponics, the growth system inside, and that's this way the community has their own way to grow food, in this PyraPODs, right? And also the nice thing about this, everything is fresh, so it's a fresh food and safe food, because you control the everything, the quality, the freshness, and then because of this you can pick pick the food while they are so still fresh, right? And this is better than have stored the food inside a fridge, for a week or something, right? But this way, you just pick when you need it, right? So this is so I'm glad that we did this today, and just make a quick video to show what we did, and hope you like it. We plan to someone in the UK suggests we submit a design like that to this for this price, the Earthshot price in UK. Yeah. So in the coming weeks, we like to focus on design like this, and then make it happen. Yeah. So this is the as you can see, there's many ways to use a structure like this. The nice thing about this is simply we use the solar energy to power the growing system, and save energy, yeah, and save the planet. So yeah, that's it. See you next time.